You know my love for sustainable, clean products and materials. Well, the most important place to make that change for us was our bedding. I didn't want to bring in things that were covered in junk and that wouldn't last with kids or washes or just with use. Also, we are on our beds half our life, so you want to make sure that what you're sleeping on is made of good, fantastic things. So I want to share with you a couple of my most favorite things from Sleep and Beyond. Puppy likes it. This is the wool duvet. It stays on our bed year round, as it stays on all the time. The great thing about this is that it's temperature regulating. It wicks moisture away. It helps fight against dust mites and allergens. Wool is naturally antimicrobial, so you don't have to worry about what is happening while you're sleeping, and you don't have to wash it that often. That's the great thing. Also, I want to talk to you about this. It's myLatex Pillow. It is made of 50% wool and 50% latex. It is amazing. Again, it's the same properties as the wool duvet. You know, anti-dust mite, anti-allergen, antimicrobial, all the fantastic things. Again, it sleeps so cool. And I'm a side sleeper, and pillows are not made for side sleepers, and this one is. I don't wake up with any discomfort. I love it. My husband sleeps on his back. He loves it, so we both equally adore this thing. And then last but not least, my mattress protector, which I wish was just my fitted sheet because it's so luxurious. It's cotton with 2-layer jersey. It's 100%. It's organic. It's breathable. It wicks moisture away. It protects against spills and stains. Literally, this is the softest thing ever. Same properties as everything else. Anti-dust mite, anti-allergen. You can machine wash and dry it. Made of the natural goodness. So these are my 3 favorite products. Honestly, I could not imagine not having them. They're that good.